Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to fit to page. To fit to page in Microsoft Word, there are two options. First, you can change for the line spacing, and the second, we can change for the margin size. So you can select all documents like in here. The next, you can click at these icons to change the line spacing. I will use one. And now I will change for the margins. You can go to view and then you can active for the rule. I will increase the margin in this vertical. You can move into here. So it will be automatically fit the documents in one page. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to fit to page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.